Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix Amazon account on hold. Now some people they can't even log out into their Amazon, so how can they contact Amazon to resolve their issue? Now what I do guys is just need to create a new account, or you can just use your mom's account or your daddy's account, and then you can do this so that you can get you can talk to someone on Amazon so that they can remove the hold on your own account. Now you want to open an account, it could be any account, okay? You want and then after that you want to click on all here in the top left, and then scroll down at the very bottom. You can see here customer service. You want to click on customer service, and then it will take you guys to this page. What you guys need is just need to find a reason why your account is on hold. If you can't, just click just select something else, okay? And then here it says here, pick what you need help with: gifts and registries, or I need more help. You wanna select I need more help, and then it will take you guys to this page again. It says here request a phone call or chat with us. You can either chat with them and give them the information of your own account that is on hold, or you can click on request a call. Now if it says here what is the best number to call you, now you want to enter here your number, and then they will call you, and then instead of giving them the information of this account, you want to give them the information of the account that you have a problem with, and then start click on call now, and then they will call you guys within a few minutes or a few hours. It depends on how many people want to do the same thing. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this work. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know guys what you need help with, and I will help you. If you want to start chatting, you can chat them. You can open a chat, and then you can tell them exactly what problem you have, and then you can try click OK, and then you can try to to talk to them. Okay, so it's better to use the number guys. You want to request a call so that you can resolve the problem. So see you guys in the next video. Good.